Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a variety fun for August. Do you want to know what snacks I'll be snacking on this month? Stay tuned. All right, you guys, so Variety Fun for August just arrived. They do send me this for review, so thank you so much, Variety Fun, for sending me your snack box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. Now, you guys, I actually did email them after receiving this box, and I asked them to remove me from their PR list. There's no real reason behind it other than I'm still trying to cut back. I've been telling you guys that for a very long time, so I feel that this is one that I should cut back on. This is the easiest box that I do, so I mean, it was a little hard decision for me because this is literally the easiest video that I do because I don't get food wrong with my fat ass, I guess. So I don't have a whole lot of editing with this video. I just show you what's in there and that's done. Very, very simple, sweet, and to the point. So I mean, I'm taking away my easiest video, but I feel that it's the best thing to do right now. That's just my opinion. So you guys can let me know what you think, if you're glad that I'm eliminating it or if you're going to be sad to see it go. Let me know, but I did remove myself from their PR list. So this will be my last box. So let's see what is going to be in the August box, and let's see what my final snacking box from Variety Fun is going to be. So let's go ahead and dive in and let's see what we're going to have inside. Now we are really in these hot months, so I'm hoping to see more chips and crackers, like hard candy kind of things. Nothing with chocolate. Well, I see something with chocolate right on top, but there's probably not going to be a whole lot. And that's what it looks like inside. Right off the bat, I can at least see there is a variety of chips. The last two boxes that I received, there was like 1 or 2 bags of chips. I'm like, where's the variety? So it looks like this box is a little bit better. Let's go ahead and start. We have Sun Chips. They are the Harvest Cheddar. Doritos Nacho Cheese. Nacho cheese, it's my cheese. We have Ruffles Originals. These are really good, but I haven't tried this flavor, so I'm excited to try those. Pop Chips, the Potato Barbecue. Lay's Barbecue. We have the Fudge Strip Minis Original. We have the Popcorners Sea Salt. I absolutely love these Popcorners. All of the different flavors are amazing. So I honestly love those. So I'm so glad to see those in here. Now we have these Knott's Berry Farm Premium Cookies. We have 2 in strawberry. I have 2 in raspberry. I have the Aged White Cheddar Pirate's Booty. I know it's just booty. That's what it is. There's some popcorn. We have some animal crackers. We have some zoo animal crackers. Oh, it's up there. There you go. Did you see those even? I didn't know. There's 2 different types of animal crackers. We have a Pop-Tart. I've never seen an individual little Pop-Tart in there. So does it tell me even what flavor we got going on? No, it's a mystery Pop-Tart. How? It's a mystery Pop-Tart. What's in there? I feel like little things over the top, so I don't know if it's like a strawberry or what, but we have a Pop-Tart. We have some Cheez-Its, white cheddar, and original. Yeah, this is a really good variety this time. We even have pretzels. We have some fruit snacks. We have peanut butter chip chewy granola bar. And then we have the oats and honey chewy granola bar. We have a Nutri-Grain in blueberry. I love these. The blueberry ones are good. My favorite is the apple, and I like to have these on hand, like for like a breakfast, anything like that. It's super easy and on the go. My favorite, peanut butter grandma cookies. And then we have the Grandma's Filled Vanilla Cream Sandwiches cookies as well. Those are my favorite. I love the Grandma's cookies. We have some Chips Ahoy. Ahoy! We have bite-sized cookies, M&M's, Keebler with M&M's. Oh, here's another animal cookie, but this one is the iced. So it has like the little icing on top of the cookie. We have a Teddy Grahams honey. We have another pretzel. So there's 2 of these mini pretzels. We have some Oreo minis. And then a sweet and salty mix. That's a good mix of peanuts, and looks like there's M&Ms and stuff, like raisins in there too. That's cool. Ooh, there's like sunflower seeds in there too. That's a good little mix. You have the crunchy Nature Valley oats and honey. There's some peanut butter chocolate chip chewy granola bars. There's 2 of those. Here is Planters salted peanuts. You have 2 of the original Rice Krispie treats. You have 2 of the peanut butter cheese toast little crackers. And there's another thing of Welch's fruit snacks. So that, I think, is a way better variety than what they put in this box, because you have a huge variety of chips, cookies, candy, nuts, pretzels. Now, that's a good variety. Even though this is my last box, because again, it's just I'm still trying to cut back. Working 6 days and doing my channel is a little number, but I do the best that I can, and I try to give you the best videos and the best quality that I can. So if I can cut back on a few, then I can pay better attention on the ones that I do show you. So that's what I'm doing, you guys. I'm trying to do the best that I can for you. So if I can get the I always say they have like magic little elves in their warehouse. I don't know how they get everything in here to stay without being like broken or anything, because I can never get them back inside the box. I can never do that. So that is everything that I have to show for this month's box. If you want a little bit more information about Variety Fun, I do have my own code, which is SheCrafty50. That'll get you 50% off your first month's box if you do want to test this out. Variety Fun snack subscription service delivers an assortment of delicious snacks to your home and office. If you do have an office building and you would like to have like a nice big box put like in the break room, they do have that on their website as well. Each month, our team curates a snack box with a variety of tasty cookies, chips, candy, crackers, pretzels, popcorn, and nuts from all your favorite brands. With classic and healthy options, there's something for everyone. And this one definitely was a really good variety. This one comes with 40 classic snacks, and it's $29.99 per box. I believe it's free shipping as well. Then they also have a fit box, which is 30 healthy snacks for $39.99. Snack boxes are great for packing lunches, game nights, road trips, parties, or to keep in your pantry for everyday snacking. They also donate thousands of snacks every month to families in need, and I absolutely love that. You guys know I love when a company donates, because then we're all helping each other, and I really, really love that. So they do donate to families in need as well, which is amazing. So if you want to check them out, everything will be linked down below. You can use my code to save some money off your very first box. So that is everything that I have to show for you. It's a little bittersweet. I've been doing this one for so long, and it is amazing snacks, but like I said, since I'm trying to cut back, and I just feel like this is one that I should cut back on, so there you go. There's that. So comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of the variety for my last box? What do you think of the box in general? What do you think about me stopping it? Give me all your positive feedback down below. I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.